I'm so hungry. Now, let me see what is Lovey doing. Lovey, I'm so hungry.
What you say, Leila?
Lovey, Mommy is sleeping. Can I eat something, please?
Let's check in the fridge. See what we have. We got some ground beef. We got cheese. Oh, I know what we can do for this. First, let's get ready. That was quick.
That's good.
Time to cook. I put the ground beef in there. I have the same seasoning that my mom makes with the patties. I hope this works. Just because you're hungry. I have the cayenne pepper. We only spread it 2 times because it's very spicy. Now we have the onion powder. Okay.
Okay.
You only spray it 2 times. Okay. And we got the adobo. You spread this 3 times. Okay. Next, we put the black pepper. This costs like 2. And my mom's secret ingredient, the sofrito. Now, let's put it in. You only take 1 spoon of this, okay?
Okay.
Spoon. Put it in there. Close this up. Okay. Now let's mix it up. Gotta mix up everything, okay? So the meat can taste good. Imagine if you were doing this.
Yeah. It would be yummy.
I wouldn't say this is nasty. I would say this feels like slime. Gotta mix
Is
it up.
this Sam? Slime, I mean. Sam?
Can you see the difference?
Yeah.
That you don't see the seeds and stuff? That's because it's inside the meat. They're hiding everywhere. Now we're gonna do the patties. Leila, can you help me out?
Yes.
First, let me show you what we're gonna do. We take 1 spoon, right? Put it in our hands. This feels kind of like slime. Like one of your slimes, Leila. Now, we're gonna do it like flat. And we're gonna do this to the edges so we can make it like a pancake. Boom. That's a patty, okay?
Okay.
Help out. Now make it like a pancake. Now do the edges. Like this. Man, this looks so good. I'm gonna get another one. Good job, Lily. Man, this is gonna be good for the hamburgers.
The patties.
Patties, sorry. Oh wait, that looks good. Okay. Okay, now we're ready.
Not yet.
Go ahead. Okay. Time to make the patty, Leila. Okay. It's ready. Let's cook them.
Okay.
We're gonna grab from here, and we're gonna put 2 patties in there. 1, 2. Don't touch that, okay? Gonna close it. We're ready to eat.
I'm so hungry.
that hit my soul.
Love it. We like pink. Top line.